everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today I am going to Motorama Motorsports Car Expo, and I just wanted to give you guys a heads up about the whole epidemic going on around us, coronavirus. Whew. Stay safe, practice hygiene with your family, make sure you wash your hand for 20 seconds often, or if you have one of these guys, use it every often whenever you get a chance. And also when you are outside, especially in a crowded area, make sure you wear a mask. Now, you should be wearing an N95 mask. I can't find it. I know I had a bunch. I'm gonna have to find it, but on the meantime, I guess this will do the job. All right, let's go ahead.
Built 6.2 liter, 7696 turbo, makes about 930 at the wheels, stock transmission.
Really?
Yep, four-wheel drive, stock transmission, stock diffs, stock axles.
Wow.
I drive it as often as I can, almost every day. Leather interior still has AC.
Wow.
6-point cage in it.
So, what's your quarter mile time?
Quarter mile, it's been 10-1 so far, 137 mile an hour.
Wow.
Yeah, so
Cool. So, what's your brake setup?
I have 2019 Sierra Silverado stock brakes in the front, and then just stock brakes in the rear.
It's double puck in the front.
Yep. Yeah, the new Sierra and Silverado trucks come with the half tons.
Oh.
Yep.
Cool.
Yeah, they're neat. I had them painted and smooth them out.
Yeah,
made
yeah.
them look good, but yeah, otherwise they're totally stock.
What about the motor?
Motors, stock block, stock heads. The block has been pinned. The main caps have been pinned.
Yeah.
It's got a CTSV LT4 crank in it.
Mm-hmm.
It's got Oliver rods in it. Diamond pistons. Cam motion cam. I've got two sets of injectors on it, so it's got stock direct injection LT4 injectors in the heads.
Yeah.
And then we've got LS4 injectors in the manifold. They're controlled by
So,
microsquirt.
how much CC in combined?
Honestly, I don't know. I don't know what the flow rate of the Z06 ones are, but I have more than enough fuel.
I'm sure. So, what fuel pump? Is it still the stock fuel pump?
I've got a stock fuel pump in the tank, and then we've added Performance Improvements actually supplied me with an AEM unit that we've got teed into the factory line. So when I hit 4 pounds of boost, it turns the second pump on,
Yeah,
and then
got
the
it.
supply is there.
Cool. And what engine management?
Stock PCM, and for the second set of injectors, I've got microsquirt. Yeah.
And I see you have a little two-step.
Yeah, it's got two-step.
Rev. Is it a BR or sorry, I can't see.
MSD.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's got MSD two-step. I've got a water meth setup on it. It's individual runners under the intake, so it's all hidden away. And
Nice.
yeah, it's pretty straightforward.
What size is the turbo?
It's a 7696.
Yeah, it's big.
Yeah.
So, how much PSI? Like 35, 40?
Right now, no, I'm only on about 15 pounds.
Okay.
So, yep.
So there's a lot more room to grow.
There's a lot of room to go. Yep.
So what's your, I don't know, next season plan? Because this is probably this season.
No, I haven't really touched it yet this year. We'll turn up the boost some. It'll probably make 1,100 horse and try to go as fast as I can. It's been 10-1, so hope to go, I don't know, 960s or 980s, somewhere in there.
Yeah. And what tire compound?
It's got, what's on it? Nitto NT05Rs right now. They're getting kind of near the end of their life, so I'll probably go to a full slick after.
Yeah.
Just
Distraction.
yeah. It started becoming an issue again, even in four-wheel drive. So
yeah.
probably run a full slick next go around and
cool.
go from there.
It's a beautiful truck, man. It's
Thank you.
just if you don't have the hood, and if you put your stock wheels back, it's just lowered.
Yep. Yeah, and that's the beauty of it. It's a very unassuming truck.
Cool, man. Thank you.
No problem.